guys, it's been a while, and today we are back with another tutorial on smartphone graphic designing. And in this tutorial we are going to design a simple mockup in this format. All right, so without wasting much time, let's just jump into it. So let's go ahead with our text that we'll be using. So we click on letter A and go for edit tool, then we delete this text. So what we are going to write, basically it's Serene Arts. Then we add few other things like Serene Art updates. Okay, so we make it all bold, then tap on OK. So with that one done, let's go for our fonts. Okay, let's just pick some random fonts. Okay, I don't have font installed. I recently uninstalled all my fonts, but I'll just get them back right after this tutorial. So I'll go with chunk 5. Okay, I'll go with chunk 5, and let's see how it appears then. Okay, I think this is pretty much okay for me. I think this is cool here. This is cool, pretty much cool. So what I'm going to do is to just make it a little bit bold, and I think that's all. Let me just position it right at the middle of my working area by using what we call the relative position tool. Okay, so with this done, I think I'm good to go. So what I need to do right now is to go back to this icon, then tap on transparent background. Okay, so once I tap on transparent, this is what's going to appear. Okay, if you want to see the color of the text, I can just change the color of it to be black, but what is more important is the mockup. Okay, because when you send it to the mockup, basically this color is not going to show, so the color is kind of useless in this case. So let me just go ahead and save it. So if you want to save it, just save it as PNG. Okay, PNG will give you the transparent background. All right, so let's tap on this save icon, then we go for save image. Okay, we're saving as image. Then you already know that I always go with ultra whenever I'm saving a work, so I'll go with ultra, with the PNG being the format, and then ultra being the quality. Then after that, I'll just save it to gallery, and we are good to go. All right, image saved successfully. What you need to do now is go to photopea.com and continue with the editing. So I'm going to see you soon. Alright, so you're welcome back, and this is what we are going to do. Let's go to our Google Chrome browser, and we are going to open photopea.com. Okay, I've already have it over here open. So what we are going to do is basically import a file. Alright, now the file that we are going to import is a PSD format, and I've already downloaded it. So I'll just leave a link in the description so that you go ahead and download it. Alright, but take note, there's password on it, so you've got to watch this video to the end so that you'll be able to unzip that file easily with a password. Alright, so let's tap on file. Once we tap on file, then we go to open. Okay, open. Now with the open, I'll just go to files, then select the particular file that I want to use. Okay, so I have the file already on my phone, so let me just go to my downloads. Okay, and see if I can get the file over there. If it's not there, then I'm going to a different option. Okay, just trying to get the file ready so that we use it. That's all. Let me check recent. I should be able to see the file right here. Okay, I think I got it. Well, it may take some time to load. Okay, it may take some time to load. Okay, so you just have to wait for it as it loads. All right, awesome. So now we have our mockup being loaded successfully. All right, we have our mockup being loaded successfully. Now if you don't know how to unzip a file, I already have a video on it on the channel. You can go ahead and check it out, and probably I'll leave the link in the description as well so that you check it out. Okay, so the next thing that we have to do is to tap on lay stands for layer, so let's tap on it. So once we tap on it, you could see where they've highlighted with a red icon or red color over there, and they say your logo here, meaning you will put your logo over there. So what you have to do is this, just take note of it. Double tap that place. It is even written against it. Double tap here, so you double tap quickly. All right, so this is it. Once you double tap it, you can click on the back on a layer, okay, and see what is being represented on the main working space. So let me just tap on layer and let's see. So this is what they've changed to that kind of mockup. So we are also going to do equally the same thing. So what we have to do right now after double tapping is to tap on file again. So once we tap on file, the next thing that we are going to do is tap on open and place. Okay, open and place, the third option right after tapping on file. So we tap on open and place, then we look out for the file that we want to use, probably the design we made, Serene art update. That's what we are going to use. So we just have to wait and go and look for that quickly. So I think it is this. Okay, this is the one that we just saved as at the time I'm recording this tutorial. That's May 15. So let me just pick it over here and boom, tap on select. Now it will load. It may take some time to load, but you have to wait for it. Now it's been loaded successfully. What I have to do now is to go back to layer and hide the original one, which is the signal. Okay, we have to go back and hide it. Now the signal is the one highlighted red beneath my own that I input. So I'll just tap on the eye icon right here, then I will hide it. Okay, then I'll hide it. Now I can tap back on lay, which is the layer, to see the main work over here. Now this is what I have over here. You can decide to stretch it or leave it like this, okay, depending on how you want it to be. Okay, all right, if you want to stretch it, you can come to edit. Okay, you come to free transform. Okay, this will help you to enlarge your image if you want to. Okay, all right, I hope this is helping you out there. Okay, so once you've done this, once you are okay with the size, the next thing that you probably have to do is to come back to file. Once you come back to file, then you tap on save. The save, like save as was smart object. Okay, the one that they put into brackets, smart object, that's the Ctrl+S. You tap on that particular one and we are good to go. And mind you, when you tap on it, it may not load immediately. It may take some time to load, so just wait for it. Once it's saved, then we are good to go. So right now I'm going to tap on the save, which is a smart object. So I just tapped on it and it's taking some time to work out, so we just have to wait for it. Okay, so this is where you have to be patient. You don't have to rush any process, just wait. Once it's saved, you get to know and you move ahead. All right, so I'll see you when it's saved. Great, our work has been saved successfully. Now the next thing to do, which is pretty much easier, is to just come back to where you've seen 3D wall. Okay, tap on it and let it be selected because you already saved the work. When you come back to the how do they call it, the 3D wall, your work will appear over there. So let me just tap on 3D wall right here. Okay, it may also take some time to load, but when it comes, you're going to see that your work or our work, which is Serene art update, will show over here fully. Okay, that's pretty much what we really want to do. So let's just wait for it to. Alright, so our work has been done successfully. We have our mockup over here, Serene Arts Update. So what we have to do now is to go ahead and save this work. So to save it, we click on File again. Once we click on File, then we tap on Export As, okay, to see the various options. So we can export it as PNG, JPG, SVG, GIF, PDF, and minimum. So in this particular tutorial, we are going to use the JPG, okay. So we tap on JPG. When the next menu show up, we tap on save. Okay, and that will be all. Okay, all right, before I forget, I have to give you the password to this particular file. The password is Serene, okay, Serene. That's the password to this particular zip file. All right, so we just have to download this. I have already downloaded some, so I just have to download it again. Okay, so once done downloading, I can go ahead and open it so that we have a look at it. Beautiful. That is it. Okay, that is it. All right, so thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next one. And if you're new to this channel, you know what to do. Just give this channel a like, smash that subscribe button, and let's keep going, man.